this is what I needed to finish the look. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm about to show you all how I got all these really cute, unique styles with one pack of hair. So keep on watching to find out how I did it. Okay, so the hair I'm using is Cuban twist hair. It's 24 inches long. It's in the color 4. That's my hair color. I like this better than Marley hair because it's just fluffier and it looks more natural. Marley hair has those like obvious crinkles in it that you have to really brush out to get out, and I don't feel like doing all that, so Cuban twist hair. And you're gonna need large rubber bands. I got this from my beauty supply. All this stuff you can find at your local beauty supply store. This will be the only thing I'm using out of this packet, most likely. And a brush, comb, rat tail comb, clips, more than one, and I'm struggling. This is my like, you know, hair toothbrush and edge control. Okay, I ended up using a bunch of other things like clips, scrunchies, scarves, beads, a beater, but that's all optional. However, you are gonna need bobby pins. Let's get into it. I'm starting off on freshly. Well, it's not really fresh. Well, I mean, it's freshly. It's been drying all day. I washed it in the morning, so this is what we're working with. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I don't really know what I'm doing, like what I want to do. I'm kind of just winging it. I know the look I'm kind of going for. I'm sweating, I think. My arms hurt. Okay, now this is the middle. I want to go back farther. Yo, I don't know how people could just like impart their hair. How do you do that? Like, I gotta go little by little. Like, how do you just get it in one clean movement? How? Okay, so I got that little thingy going on. Now we're gonna get our edge control. I'm gonna take my rat tail comb and just really just make sure this part is as straight. I just like back the hair up, you know what I'm saying? So I can see what that part looking like. Period. Yeah, that's a trick to getting straighter parts out. Like, I've seen people do it and I didn't really know why. I was like, why are they putting all that gel on their scalp? But no, it helps get cleaner parts. Okay, so brush this kind of look how I do it, yo. Look at how it Okay, do the same thing on this side. God, I think it's gonna be cute. I know it's gonna be cute. I'm sorry. And like,
not to be cocky or anything,
or like sound arrogant. Well, I'm not gonna say I look good at everything, but I know, like, if I'm trying something and I think it's gonna look good on me, I'm usually right. Now we're gonna like slick this whole back. So yeah, I like to do this. And also, before I start, I should put some leave-in in here. Do I even have any? I'm gonna put something on my hair just so it's not dry. I don't have any leave-in, but I'm gonna just put in this cream right here. Okay, now our hair is nice and like, you know, I don't know why I showed y'all that, but okay, so now we're gonna just like gather these in a. Now I'm going to moisturize it with that cream before I slick it back. Then I'm gonna go in with some oil. And before I just gel it all back, because that's not gonna work for me, I like to split it into sections. So I'm gonna take the bottom section, put some gel on it, slick it back with a brush. Look at how that, y'all, look, see, I let go. I let go when it's still there. And secure it with a clip, and then I'm gonna go and secure the section that's on top of it, slick it back, brush it back, secure it with a clip. Then go to the other side, do the same thing, Okay, so I was like really hot and low-key sweating. That's why it's already fuzzing up a little bit. But y'all, when I'm doing this on like strictly dry hair and then I lay it down with a scarf right after I gel it back, it is so smooth. And now we got a little we're just gonna put it in a little ball, and we're actually gonna go ahead and twist this little piece back. Okay, now we're gonna like wrap this around our little, use this little hook thing. Ooh, that's so cute. I want two. I'm gonna just lay my edges just for now because I'm sweating and they're like popping out onto this. It is coarse, let me tell you something. It's not soft, but nobody's gonna be feeling all up on your hair. Or you shouldn't let them. I don't think I really like how it comes to the bottom and it's like really defined. I'm gonna like cut it off. So I snipped those ends off and now I'm combing through it to fray the ends. And you wanna do this so that it tapers and pull at the bottom pieces. All right, we're gonna put it on our head now. Y'all, do not be like me and put that entire ponytail straight out the packet onto your head, or you will be like me, struggling to twist it because it is so thick and full. No, we're taking some of those pieces out. Let me see what it feels like with, I took 5 off, so now I'm left with like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 little locks. So put it over your thing. Flip it over. Look at that, look at that. And a bobby pin on the top. We're gonna bobby pin on the sides. I'm gonna take 2 strands. I'm gonna wrap this off camera. All right, now we're looking better. I had to like crack my neck. Twist it. Okay, really make sure you like twist as you twist one this way like you're doing a single-leaf twist. And I wanted the ends to look like a little ball, so I attached them into the rubber band. Okay guys, so my lips dry. Okay, so this is the final, I'm sweating. This is the final product. This is how it looks in the front, to the side, the back. So I did this scarf look off camera, and I hope y'all can follow my explanation. So I have a square satin scarf. I folded it into a triangle, and then I basically folded it over itself multiple times towards the point of the triangle until I was left with a long, thin, rectangular looking piece. And I just wrapped that into, or twisted it into my ponytail until I got to the end and I tied it. This one is my favorite. I love how the scarf looks with this ponytail. Oh my gosh, I look like a princess right now, period. It's really giving me Princess Jasmine vibes for some reason, especially if I was to do this with that bubble ponytail, which I'm about to show y'all in a second. And we're back. So now we're gonna do the bubble. I have them doubled. I'm gonna pull this through and just is a whole look right here. I'm all up on the couch. That's the whole look. There's something different to the bottom. I'm gonna braid it. I'm gonna braid this part. And we're gonna add beads. Alright, so we're back. Edges are being laid. I have white beads because like they match my outfit out. Y'all, I have so many accessories. Like I have so many beads, hair clips, scrunchies. I just love to accessorize my hair, but I don't like to overdo it. Some people be overdoing it. Right, let's get into it. I'm gonna go in and actually use these large cuffs. I like this. Period. This is what I needed to finish the look. Yes. Alright. That concludes this video. Hope you guys liked it. If you did, like, subscribe if you want to see more, and comment down below which hairstyle was your favorite.